Hi there, it's Mike Gates with Mike in Colorado, and I just wanted to run you through something today that I found out about Builderall. Just a little hiccup and a way that I worked my way around it. So anyway, I've got this membership site, and I want to deliver a zipped file through this membership site after somebody pays for it, and I want to do all that I can to keep people from trying to steal my zip file. So what I did is I created a button here, and I'm going to go to actions under that button, and I'm going to select a document and then file search. So with Builderall you can upload files. Okay, there it is. And you can see the file types that you can upload. So I'm going to select this zip file. Cool, everything's good. Fantastic. We're good. So I thought that would be it. We'd be good to go. But if I go to preview this, and this happens the same if I save it, and I go to download here, it does download the file, but if you look down here, it wants to download it as a number instead of the file name that I have. And for me, that's just not going to cut it. This happens to be a WordPress plugin, and if somebody downloads it like that and then tries to install it on WordPress, I think it'll give them an error because I think it needs to be the file name that I named when I uploaded it to Builderall. Also, I could see where it could be a support nightmare with people calling or emailing me and saying, hey, where's my file? So that's just really not a good solution. You can see that the file name is correct here, but the downloaded file name is not. And I've contacted support about that and asked them to change that so that it would be the name of the actual file name that I want. So I started looking to see if I could find a way around it. And I tried a couple things, so we'll do this. Let's duplicate this. And then with this link, we'll try a different action. So let's try to go to a web address. And let me go out to my notepad and grab a web address here that I wanted to use. And we'll put it in here and save it. Okay, cool. So now let's try that second button. So let's go to preview and let's try the second button here. Well, when I go to the second button and I highlight it, if you look at the bottom left of the screen down here, you will see that it displays the path to my file name. And I really don't want that because people will find that link, they'll take it, they'll put it on Black Hat forums and spread it all over the world. I've had that happen to me before, so I really want to protect this. So I was kind of in a quandary, didn't know what to do. But then I tried one more thing. So I'm going to modify this again, and we'll go to action, and let's go back here. There's this handy dandy JavaScript code. Now, I'm not a big JavaScript person. I know a little bit about JavaScript. But when this button is clicked, I can trigger a JavaScript, some JavaScript code. And what I did is I found some cool redirect code, and I'll just pop that in there. And what it does is it just basically does a redirect to a different location via JavaScript. So let's save that. Now, one thing I discovered is if you go here and try to run it from here, it's not going to let you do it. So you have to publish the site. So let's go back and let's save this and save. And this, hopefully it will save quickly here. It did. Okay, so now I've got my new button with JavaScript, and if I hover over it down here, looks good, doesn't show it. And if I click on it, boom, it downloads the right file name. So that's exactly what I want. So I'm going to leave, I'll leave the JavaScript code, an example of it below, but this might help some of you out. I had a similar problem with a PDF, and so like I had this PDF report that I wanted people to download, and I had to make a note here that, hey, it's going to download this file name as this number PDF instead of my actual report file name. So it is kind of an issue. I think support and Builderall, I'm confident they'll change that, but for now we have a workaround. So I hope that helps someone out. Thanks. Bye.